Good morning, Darragh O'Brien here, and I'm really delighted to tell you today that we've agreed our first cost rental schemes in Ireland. In partnership with our approved housing bodies, we'll be delivering over 400 cost rental homes in Dublin, the Greater Dublin area and in Cork this year in 2021. Shortly after Christmas, I put out a call to our approved housing bodies asking them to submit proposals to me for cost rental homes. They really responded enthusiastically, and the standard of the proposals is really high. I'm very encouraged for the future expansion of this scheme. Cost rental was a key commitment in providing housing for all. It is a new form of tenure, and after less than 6 months in government, €35 million in funding has been provided. An affordable housing bill which puts cost rental on a statutory footing has been published. A call for proposals has been issued, and now we are ready to take the next step in getting the schemes up and running. These homes will be delivered at rates which are a minimum 25% below market values. Tenants will pay rent that covers only the cost of delivering, managing and maintaining the homes, with secure tenure for those tenants. It's my firm commitment that we will build on this scheme and expand it further so that many more tenants can live securely in cost rental affordable homes.